Hello, everybody. There is a big problem which is coming up as we are coming out of the lockdown. The main problem is that I would speak about one subject today, that is about the schools. The schools are charging their fees, they are charging their bus fare, they are charging the lab fare, the sports special the charges for the sports, and different charges are being they are being charged by the schools to the students. But how could you do this? First, I would like to ask question to the schools, the private schools, those who are, taking a huge amount of fees yearly, and they are taking fees for the students for class. There, maybe your students are there with you from nursery, and they would be there till class 12. But how could you be so inhuman? How could you charge their fees at the time of the lockdown? Nobody is asking you to pay something to anybody, but please don't charge. This is really, this cannot be acceptable by anybody, because as I have spoken to a lot of parents. Parents are just, they are frustrated, they are irritated, they do not know what to do, because their students' future are in your hands, but you cannot play with that. Like when I was in school, we had different subjects, and moral science was one of them. But and from the school I was taught that I have to behave in a certain manner. I have to be human first, and then I have to what are the profession I choose, that's later. But where are your humanity? Where is your humanity? I would like to ask you, why are you charging the students? And another thing that I have gathered from a lot of parents, that you have already charged this month for the this session fees, and for this 3 months, for the April, May and June. When the schools are in lockdown, you are not operational. How could you be operational at the time of taking the fees? There are big questions that's coming up, and we are not going to take it lying down, because this is about the future of the students. And there are a lot of parents, those who do not have any earnings during the lockdown period. When the whole world is in pandemic, how could you charge fees? Nobody is asking you to make any payments to the students. Like as the government schools, they are giving the students a lot of the rations, and they're helping the students in different manner. But I'm really shocked by the behavior of the private schools. How could you charge fees from the students when your school was in lockdown? And you have already, a lot of schools have already collected. How could you collect when your school is not operational at this moment? This is very illegal. So I don't think that what you are going to teach the students, you do not have the morality. You're not yourself. You do not know what is moral science, and you are charging parents. Like now, people, as the whole world knows, no earning. There is no earning from from anybody anywhere. No earning. So there is no earning. The parents are trying to meet their ends by getting money from whichever work they can do after the pandemic. But during the pandemic, there was no earning for anybody. Lot of companies have come forward and paid salary to their workers. But you're not paying salary to the students. You are charging the fees from the students, which I think is very grossly incorrect. So first, if you are a school, if you think that you are into education, not education business, but not only into business, if you are really interested in education, so please go ahead and show your human side to the students. You announce that you are not going to charge any fees for the students. You're not going to charge any bus fare when the bus was not used, your school was not used, the electricity was not used, nothing was used, the premises was in lockdown. So how could you charge from people? We are not going to pay any fees. until and unless you decide that what is correct and what is incorrect. And you cannot torture the students and the teachers. This is another thing which I have gathered from a lot of parents, that at the time you are online with the students, few schools are online with the students, they are trying to teach 100 students in half an hour, which is just impossible. But still, you have tried your best. But again, at that time, the teachers are really pressurizing students and asking for the fees, which how can you, like, is it possible? Is it correct? Is it correct to charge students of a 5-year-old, 7-year-old, 10-year-old, 15-year-old about, can you talk to them about fees? How could you do this? And there are a lot of WhatsApp which I have seen that it's coming regularly from the students, and you are being the students are being threatened by the schools, which is not acceptable. So please, you speak to your governing body, you decide, but no parents is going to pay the fees which they have not used. Your premises have not been used. Your bus has not been used. Your lab has not been used. No sports facility you have provided to the students. So why are you charging? Please don't charge.